Hi friends, my name is Bharath Chandra. Today's video is 15 strong stocks in weak markets. Indian markets have been weak for almost 2 months now. Many individual stocks are down between 15 and 40%. However, there are some stocks which have been relatively strong in this period. Such stocks have appreciated by around 10% since the end of September. Economic Times newspaper has compiled a list of mid and small cap stocks which have potential to rally in the short term as per analysts. The following is a list of stocks for you to research further to look for short term opportunities. Stocks that have potential to rally in short term. Number 1, Paradeep Phosphates. Since 27 September, 27% up, and percentage potential upside as per analysts another 28%. Pearl Global 26% up since 27 September and another 23% likely upside. Motilal Oswal Financial Services 21% up and another 12% upside is there. Ganesha Ecosphere 22% is a rally already since 27 September and as per analysts another 23% upside. Innova CapTab 21% is the rally in the last 1.5-2 months and potential upside 11%. Deepak Fertilizers 19% and 14%. Mastech 19% rally already done, another 10% possible. Tilak Nagar Industries 18% up and another 15% possible. Newland Lab 16% up and another 18% rally possible. Skipper Company 13% up already, 21% upside potential. Wartech Wabag 13% up and 26% possible rally. Pyramil Pharma 12% up and another 11% as per analysts is a potential. Prudent Corporate 12% up already, another 10% upside potential. Usha Martin 11% up, another 37% up is the analyst prediction. GE Vernova T&D, that is transmission and distribution, 11% up is the 27 September rally and potential upside 14%. Watch out for these stocks in the next few weeks or months. Do your own technical analysis and when you get a buy indication for short term, these stocks may rally well since the list has been compiled based on the opinion of many analysts. When you see such list, it does not mean that you should blindly invest. You should invest when you are satisfied with its potential and confident of being able to manage the investment. If you follow this approach in investing, you are more likely to be careful and therefore successful in stock market. So always, whoever it is, whatever the idea you get, first do the research. That is why you need to learn fundamental and technical analysis. That time you don't depend on anybody's opinion. You can do your own research and if you feel happy and confident, you invest. If you are feeling a little doubtful, then you can ignore the particular stock. If you like this video, please click the like button and mention in the comment section, Nandini competes with Amul in various segments of milk products. Amul is a brand of which state? A. Maharashtra, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Gujarat and D. Uttar Pradesh. Once you type the answer in the comment section, then Google and you will get the correct answer so that you can check whether you are right or wrong. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button and bell icon. Bye bye, all the best.